Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through the process of connecting your Vantage account to Tradingview. This integration allows you to trade directly from Tradingview's advanced charting platform using your Vantage account. So let's get started. Before we begin, ensure you have the following: an active Vantage trading account. If you don't have one, you can sign up at Markets. A TradingView account, you can create one at Tradingview, www.tradingview.com. Now let's connect your Vantage account to Tradingview. Open Tradingview in your web browser. Log into your Tradingview account. Open a chart for any trading instrument. At the bottom of the chart, click on the Trading Panel tab. In the list of brokers, find the click on Vantage. A login window will appear. Enter your Vantage account credential and authorize the connection. Once connected, you will be able to place trades directly from TradingView using your Vantage account. With your account connected, here's how to place a trade on the chart. Right click on the price level where you want to place an order. Select trade and then choose the type of order you want to place. A trade window will appear. Enter the trade details such as volume, stop loss and take profit level. Click buy or sell to execute the trade. Your trade will be executed through your Vantage account and you can monitor it directly on TradingView. To manage your trades and view account information, click on the Trading Panel tab on the bottom of the chart. Here you can view open position, order history and account balance. You can also modify to close position directly from the panel. This integration provides a seamless trading experience combining Vantage's execution capabilities with TradingView's advanced charting tools. And that's how you can connect your Vantage account to TradingView. This setup allows you to leverage the strengths of both platforms for an enhanced trading experience.